Yo, what's poppin' on my goons worldwide? We back, live in effect, live and direct. We back, let's connect. Yo, about to drop another crazy fitness method gym on you today. So do me a quick solid. Smash on the like, subscribe buttons right now. It's about to get busy. It's time to get active. You know how it go. Come on. Yo, fit body game, alright? I'm about to drop some crazy game on you about the fit body, about how you are going to be on a lonely road to get a fit body, alright? It's a fit body method gym, fitness method gym. It's a lonely road when you get a fit body. I'm keeping it all the way real. Yo, you are going to lose all your friends and they're gonna try to sabotage you. They're gonna stab you in the back. Your friends and family, they're not gonna rock with you. You're gonna find yourself alone, okay? Fit body game. You will even find yourself in a state of depression and things not going right for you. Your life's gonna go downhill for a bit on your fitness method journey. I'm keeping it all the way real. Yo, this is why, okay? First of all, you are about to spend all your time working out, alright? So all that free time you had with your peers, your friends, you was doing all kind of activities, you was playing video games, whatever. You was drinking, you was smoking, whatever. You was riding around trying to pick up baddies, whatever. Whatever, you was kicking it, gossiping, shooting the shit, whatever you was doing with your peers, you're about to cut all that stuff out, alright? You about to stop going to fast food and being in the drive-thru in the line for 20 minutes just to get your food. All that stuff, you're gonna stop doing it, alright? Because you're gonna be in the gym. You're gonna be focused on your weight gain, your weight muscle growth, all your gains. You're gonna be focused on just leveling up your body. And because of that, you're gonna lose time to spend with your friends. So then they're gonna look at you and be like, oh, who do you think you are? Okay, you trying to be a celebrity? Trying to be a star? You trying to be the next Mr. Olympia? Who do you think you are? Mr. Arnold Schwarzenegger? Who are you? Like a wannabe David Goggins? Or who? Look at you. You listen to Andrew Tate too much, bro. Come on, man. Look, have some fun. All that bullshit is gonna come flying your way, all right? I promise you. You are gonna lose all your friends because they're not into fitness. The only way you're gonna keep your friends is if they're in the gym savagely like you. That's the only way you're gonna have friends. Your friends must be in the gym like you. And if you're trying to get savage, severe, next level gains, you will be in the gym 5, 6, 7 days out the week, okay? Straight like that. It is not unusual for somebody who's trying to get major gains and make a major life change to work out 7 days a week. You might say that's crazy, but it's not. Trust me. I went from 0 working out to 7 days a week, okay? 0 working out to 3 hours a day, 7 days a week, okay? And it's pretty much normal. It's my norm. Now, I'm not saying you're gonna do it that extreme, but even if you're doing 1 hour a day, 5 days out the week, that's time that you're not going to be spending doing other things, all right? So if you got a girlfriend or something, unless she is going to the gym with you, she's gonna leave you. I promise you. She's not going to want to stick around with you if you start getting crazy gains like that, because what's going to happen is you are going to get more looks and more attention from more women, and it's going to turn her off, okay? She's going to get pissed off that more attractive women than her is looking at you, throwing you looks. And it's going to be real like that. It's going to happen everywhere you go. So you just start to level up because your vibration is going to be higher, your confidence is going to be higher, your skin going to be glowing, your clothes going to fit better, and then naturally you're going to go buy new clothes because you went down a size or 2 or 3 in clothes, so now you got to buy new clothes, so now you're looking fresher, okay? You're going to start taking care of your appearance more. You're going to get your hair cut more. You're going to be shaved up more. You're going to be groomed better. It's going to be a snowball effect, okay, of positive things, traits, qualities that you're gonna enhance yourself with, okay? You're just gonna look better in all areas, okay? Then you start acting better. You're gonna act less goofy. You're gonna act more authoritative, okay? You're gonna just act more masculine, more dominant, more power. It's all gonna come naturally, more charismatic. It's gonna be more easier to talk to people. You're gonna attract more women just by the way you talk to them without doing anything extra, all right? You're not gonna try to learn all kind of crazy game and crazy methods how to pick up shorties, pick up chicks. Nah, all that shit gonna go out the window. You're just gonna have more charisma naturally, more charm naturally, less fear naturally. You might have been afraid to go talk to a baddie, a girl who's like a 7 or 8 or 9 or 10 in your eyes. Now you're gonna talk to dime pieces like nothing. You're gonna talk to a dime piece like she's a 2, shit like that, and it won't be no fear. So it's just gonna be different. Like the way you can talk to people and deal with people is gonna vibrate higher, and people ain't gonna like it. Your family's not gonna like it. They see you blasting off. You're getting ahead of them. You're getting gains. Chances are, most people, the average person, does not work out at all. So imagine how they're gonna feel knowing that you work out 5, 6, 7 days out the week. Alright? So now you're gonna lose friends. People are gonna turn their back on you. People that used to follow your stories, they're gonna start to follow your stories less and less. People that used to invite you to hang out at the functions, they're gonna invite you less and less, alright? They're not gonna have you to pull up and kick it like they used to. You're not gonna get invited like before. You're gonna get ostracized by your peers. You're gonna get left out, okay? You're gonna turn into the black sheep, all right? You're not gonna get the same fair treatment that your peers are getting. You're gonna be like, dang, this is messed up. I don't like this. And it's like all a trap, all a plot for you to go backwards, okay? So that's why you might get depressed a little bit, because you're noticing people don't want to see you like that. They don't want you to hang out with them like that. You're not welcome like that. But it's because you're focused on yourself, your gains, you're getting better. So now you look better than your friends. As time goes by, you work out 5, 6, 7 days out the week, okay? 2 hours a day or more, and your friends work out 0 out the week. Imagine in 3 months, of course you're gonna look better than them. By default, your family and friends, they're gonna see the change in you. And then they're not gonna wanna deal with you like that because they know they got left behind. So now they're gonna feel some sort of insecurity. Your new confidence, your newfound looks, and your new positive energy vibes is gonna bring out their insecurities, bring out their demons. You're holding up a mirror to them, all right? So now they're taking you for granted. And it's gonna make you a little bit depressed, a little bit stressed, so you will be lonely. Keeping it all the way real. The only way you can combat this is that you gotta have your peers on the same shit as you. Straight like that. But if you don't, you're gonna be lonely. Keeping it all the way real. So it's all good though, because what's gonna happen is, like that was you going downhill now. But what's gonna happen is it's gonna turn around. Now you're gonna go up. You're gonna start to go up because you're gonna attract new friends. You're gonna attract new relationships, new associations. People that weren't checking for you before, they're gonna see you. People always got their eyes on you. They're always watching you, okay? So they are going to wanna get a part of your program because they see that you're a leader. They see whatever you're doing, it's working, all right? And people always go to a winner. Everybody wants to be a winner and be associated with the winner. They see you as a winner. So now they know you got the sauce, okay? You got the game. And they feel like they can game too by dealing with you by association. So new people are gonna come around, new people are gonna sow into your life, new strangers are gonna take notice to you and gravitate to you, and new opportunities will open up. And all this stuff happened because you got on fitness method, okay? Keeping it all the way real. You changed your body, you changed your whole molecular structure, and it's not easy. It's not an easy feat. It's something that's challenging to do. That's why people don't do it, okay? I'm keeping it all the way real. It takes sacrifice, discipline, dedication, motivation, okay? And it physically is taxing on your body. It's painful. Every day you're gonna be in pain. It hurts every day. It don't matter as time goes by. I'm 10 years in, 12 years in, and my body's in pain every day. But it's worth the gains, all right? So you will blast off. So you're going to go downhill at first. It's part of the game. Just stay the course, stick with it, and then you're going to blast off. You're going to take off, and boom, you're going to moonshot. And then once you start going, you'll see the value of it. You will never stop. You will never let up. You will keep going, and you will stay in motion. I promise you that, and you will be glad you did. I'm keeping it all the way real. Fitness method. Real gym. You will win with this. So yo, you found the value in this video? You know what to do. like, subscribe, share, comment. We'll keep blasting off with the crazy prophetic messages, crazy fitness method game, and whatever else, other type of gems we into. Pull up for that, you're gonna win with that too, alright? Straight like that. Till next time, before you go, smash on the like and subscribe button, you heard? Let's get busy. Till next time, we out. Salute.
Go, okay, go, okay, 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 are we ready to go? 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 Okay, okay, go, okay, okay, go, okay, okay, go, okay, okay.